Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Guys, this evening I go cook some curry chicken neck. Yeah guys, I cut up my chicken neck already, as you can see it in my pot guys. Cut it up, wash him up, clean him up, and put him for marinate, season him up, put him for marinate guys. So what I go do now guys, I go light up the stove and I'm gonna see what I go on. You understand my deal? We don't put oil pan here already. So guys, I go light up the stove and I'm gonna see what I go on in the kitchen. Soon come back guys. Yeah guys, so light up the stove guys, as you can see. Fire burn. So you don't know me season up my meat in a pot when I cooking. You understand me how they yeah. I make it go and marinate in the guys. Watch your badness in the kitchen. Guys, watch your badness over here so. Guys, I go cut up some ground season. For me curry chicken neck. Guys, it smells good, me now like it alone. Turn up the stove some more. Guys, just stay tuned to the finishing look guys. Now go cut up some ground season, I'm gonna see what I want. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'm a ground season that overs. Yeah, this is my ground season. And see, so I go on the iPad guys. Don't know the badness. Guys, soon come back. Guys, what I'm gonna do now, I go put in my ground season. Yeah guys, I'm gonna see what I go on. Yeah guys, so this is my ground season guys. Be a badness. Yeah guys, so don't know the badness come down guys. Yeah, Jenko people. So they can't lock off my stove here now. Don't see the badness. So what I go on? Yeah guys, so I eat this guys, so I'm gonna lock off my stove. Gonna see the finishing look when in I plate guys. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so see the badness. Finishing look on my curry chicken neck guys. Be a badness. Yeah guys, be a badness guys, be a badness guys. Please remember like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell as a video drop guys. You have it. Watch a be a steam a come out of the food guys. I see that guys. I'm out. See you in our next video guys.